Zakaya, go ahead.
I can solve a word problem and show my work to explain my answer.
I love it. Zakaya, great job. Ding, 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 she got it.
Ding, 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 she got it.
Excellent, Zakaya. So today we're going to be solving a word problem. We are going to be showing our work to help us to explain how we got our answer. It's so important that I understand how you got your answer, okay? What's one way we can show our work? What's one way? Go ahead, Dania. Okay, I'm going to come back to you and let you think about that. Go ahead, Kamante. By solving it. And when we solve it, we might do something on our piece of paper. I'm thinking about something we might show. Dania, I said I was coming back to you. We show our answer. How do we show our answer?
By drawing dots.
Yes, we draw the dots or we draw a picture. That's one way we show our answer. We can also use words to explain how we got our answer. Excellent job, guys. So today we have this math task or this math problem on the board. Who can read in a nice, loud voice what our math problem is? Nikira.
There are 26 toy cars in the bucket. 12 of the cars are blue. How many of the cars are green?
Excellent job, Nikira. Ding, 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 she got it.
Ding, 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 she got it.
Excellent. So we're talking about toy cars. Toy cars is the subject of our word problem. So we're trying to figure out what the other number of the cars, the number of cars that are red, we are trying to figure out how many in that bucket are red, okay? So what I want you to do, I want you to take about 10 seconds. When I say go, I want you to turn and talk to a person sitting next to you about one way we could set up and solve this problem to explain and show our answer to explain how we got it. You may go. Turn and talk. Go ahead. Let me hear. Turn and talk. Turn and talk. Okay. Oh, I heard one great way over here. Excellent. Oh, I heard another great way to solve it over here. Let's bring it back together in 4, 3, we're sitting up, sitting crisscross applesauce. 2, our mouths are closed. 1, if we have something to share, our hands are silently high in the air so Miss Murphy knows when you're ready. And 0, we are bringing it back together. Excellent job bringing it back together. Kamante, go ahead. Share what you and your partner talked about. Okay, so Kamante shared something we talked about earlier. He shared that we are going to solve the problem by drawing dots. We draw a picture to help us to show our answer, okay? That's one way. Micaiah?
Tari said that we can draw a tally mark.
Okay, that's okay. You know what? I'm going to let you two continue to talk about it, and we'll come back to you guys. I'm sure you guys have a good answer, okay? All right, Maurice. So that's okay. So you had a connection with somebody else. Okay, very good. So what we're going to do right now together, we are going to come up with one way to set up and solve this problem together, okay? So what I need you to do, and I need someone to brainstorm how they could set up this problem. Take about 5 seconds and brainstorm. Just I want to see those brains working really hard. Push down in those brains and so we can get some information. All right. Marquise, do you think you have it?
Yes.
Do you think you could come up here and set up our problem for us? One way. Give us one way. There's several ways we could get our answer, but I want to see one way. Ooh. And Marquise, why are you drawing that line?
Because there's two numbers that have the same.
It's okay. You want to call in a classmate to help you? Why does he start drawing that line, Essence?
So he can separate the numbers.
He can separate the tens place and the ones place. Awesome job, Essence. Thank you for helping him out. Go ahead and set that up for us. Awesome. So now we just have to figure out the operation. Very good. So Marquise, if we have 26 cars in the bucket and we know 12 of them are blue, which you've set up perfectly, and we are trying to figure out how many cars are red, how are we going to solve that? How are we going to solve that? What operation do you think we're going to use?
Dots.
Okay, operation, remember, what is operation? What do I mean by that?
You need like a minus of.
Yes, addition or subtraction. Very good. All right, so what do we think? Raise your hand. Let's poll the audience, all right? Let's see what our classmates have to say. Raise your hand. Put your hands down. You don't even know what we're saying. Raise your hand if you think we're going to use addition. Raise your hand if you think we're going to use subtraction. Oh, I want you to take those hands and give yourselves a big pat on the back because you're absolutely correct. Go ahead, Marquise. Subtraction. All right, so Marquise has set up this problem beautifully for us. So now I'm going to open it up to someone else to come help us solve this problem, okay? Thank you, Marquise. I'm going to use blue to help us solve the problem. Kamante shine so hard. Come on up here, Kamante. Go ahead. Oh, I love the way Jordan and Zakiah are showing Kamante is going to do such a great job. It's wonderful. All right, so Kamante's drawing his picture. Excellent. He's drawing 6 dots. He's taking away 2 of them. Oh, count one more time for me, Kamante. Oh, I love the way. He worked it out. He worked it out.
He worked it out. He worked it out.
Good job. Excellent, Kamante. He's moving on. He's starting his ones place. Where does he go next, everyone?
The tens place.
Excellent. Good job, Kamante. Ding, ding, ding. He got it.
Ding, 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 he got it.
Raise your hand if you agree with him. Oh, I do too. That was wonderful. Let's just show Kamante. You guys did such a great job. So, my last question before I send you off on your own to try and find another way to solve this problem. Is my answer complete? I have 26 minus 12 equals 14. Think about what we know about word problems. Is my answer complete?
No. No, we forgot to draw cars.
So don't forget, it's okay. Do not worry. It's totally fine, Kamante. You did such a great job solving it, and I'm super, super proud of you for that. There's just one little detail. We always want to include the topic, right? That's so important. We need to know what we're talking about. And what is our topic, everyone? Cars. Good job. All right, so I'm going to write cars right here. You guys did an awesome job. So now, what you are going to do, my little mathematicians, when I call your carpet row, you are going to go back to your seats and you are going to have the chance to work with your group members to find a different way to solve this problem. And here's the catch. I want you to be able to explain your answer to me. Just like we talked this one through, be prepared to explain. Your group's going to come in front of the class. We're going to talk about it, and you're going to tell us how you got your answer, okay? Okay. So, at your seats, you have your exit tickets, which you can use to write your final answer and show your work. And maybe you want to write your words of how you explain to get how you got your answer, okay? You're going to explain. You have cubes you can use. You have whiteboards, you have socks, and you have markers. All of this you may use to work with your group members to find another way to set up and solve this problem. Does anyone have any questions before you go back to your seats? Makai.
I don't know how to do it.
So that's why you have group members. And you do know, because we have worked on this over and over again, and Miss Murphy's going to be around to help and assist. But I know that those brain juices you guys have up there are going to help you get to your answer, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start the green row. Go ahead, back to your seats. Let's see which group can work at a level 1. I love the way the green row walked back to their seats quietly. They sat down. Group 5, you can go ahead and get started since you're already there. Let's have the blue row quietly get up. Jordan, we're at a level 1. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. And now we'll have the blue row. All right. Please pop up. All right. All right. Let's see it. I'm going to look around and solve. Yes, you absolutely may. I love the way you raised your hand and asked for that. That was wonderful. All right, go ahead and get to work. So I'm going to read the problem over again with your group members. Talking. I love what I'm seeing. Excellent.